Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to talk about how to create scatter plot in Power BI. To create any new chart in Power BI, make sure that you click on the white portion of the canvas. Now in the values, select subcategory. In x-axis, select sales. In y-axis, select profit. In legend, select region. In the size, select quantity. And for the play axis, select the order date. Now activate the focus mode. Press the play button and just see. It gives you the animated scatter plot. Moreover, you can scroll this bar. Okay, now press the back to report. We'll remove the order date from here. Activate the focus mode. So here, the size of this bubble represents the quantity. More the bubble size, more the quantity. Less the bubble size, less is the quantity. The color represents the region. Now you click on any legend. So these are the points for the central region, east, south, west. Now we want to format this chart. So we'll go in x-axis. Minimum and maximum range is specified. You can change it if it is required. You can activate the logarithmic scale if you want. Invert the range. The values can be changed. The color can be changed. Just see what happens on x-axis. The color has changed. The font size can be increased or decreased. The displaying unit is in thousands. It can be changed into millions. The title can be given. Let's give the title scatter plot. So it's a scatter plot. The size of this title can be changed. Color can be changed. Y-axis, minimum and maximum range has been specified. So you can increase or decrease from here. If you want to invert the range, it can be done. Again, the color, the size of the font and type of the fonts can be changed. Switch axis position. So now you'll get axis here. So blank values if they are, otherwise not. Do you want to give any title? You can write down here and the title will appear on y-axis. Legend. So it's related to this. Do you require dotted legend or dashed? So give it solid. So at present, the legend is in top left, make it top center. The color can be changed. It is written region wise. You can change it. Greet lines are these lines. If you don't want it, switch it off. The grid lines at present are dashed, can be changed to solid lines. If you don't want the grid lines, just switch it off. Zoom the slider, activate the slider on. So slider is, you can use the slider on both the sides. The data can be filtered only so those firms which are having high sales and high profit. Type is circle, make it square. These are the changes which can be done. Range scaling is auto. Keep it auto only. Size -10. The bubble size can be increased or decreased from here. 4 colors are selected: blue, dark blue, orange. So you can change the color from here also. Activate the category label and the names will appear. Moreover, the type of the font, the size of the font, and the color of the font can be changed. Do you want to include any background? Yes. So let's pick up the background. Background color. We'll keep it dark. Transparency is high. Make it a little bit low. So these values are having a background. What about a plot area background? Click on it. So here the background has changed. Now activate general properties. Click on back to report. By clicking on this, the height and width of the graph will change. Position, by increasing this number, the chart will shift on right hand side, left hand side, bottom, top, padding. This will shift the inner chart towards left, right, top, and bottom. So left, basically it will increase the white space in your chart. This will shift towards the bottom. This will shift the chart towards the bottom. This towards the top. Advanced options, make sure responsive is on. Number of data points. The title can be changed. Title, sales, profit, and remove the sum, only quantity. So see sales, profit, and quantity by subcategory and region. The font color, size, and the background can also be changed. Horizontal alignment on. If you require subtitle, then on it and write down the subtitle. Otherwise, is not necessary. Divider. We require a line which divides the title and the chart. On it, black color. So it's a solid line. We can increase its width. Spacing. So by increasing the vertical spacing, the white portion in the chart will be maximized. Effects. We'll have to give the background to this. So let's pick up the silent background. Visual border. So you require a rounded corners. Just slide it and you will get the rounded corners here. Shadow. Which color shadow do you want? Yellow. Outside, bottom right. Header icons. By changing this, the color will change of filters, focus mode, and more options. We have already discussed this thing in my previous video. Kindly refer it. Reset to default. Click on icons. Make sure that all of them are on. Now activate the focus mode. Feel that we will change the background. So we'll go in visuals, collapse all categories, and plot area background. And this is much better. Now you can export this data in CSV format. You can plot the table, show as table. The layout can be changed anytime. So this is vertical layout. So this was all about Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to share and like this video. You can also follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.